To download Skype for Business, go to Outlook. Click on the cogwheel in the top right corner of the screen and select Office 365. Click on Software. Select language and version depending on your computer. Then click on Install. After Skype has successfully installed, you are able to log in. Under your name, you are able to change your present status. Status will also be shown in Outlook. Double-click on anyone to chat. Skype for Business automatically saves your chat history. You can find your conversation history by clicking on the clock icon. You can also view your history in Outlook by selecting Conversation History. You can call to other users as a normal voice call or video call by right-clicking on their name in Contact List or in the bottom menu while chat window is open. This action requires that your computer has a microphone and a camera plugged in. In Skype for Business, you can share files and screen to others. To share, click on the screen icon in the bottom menu while chat window is open. You can change settings by clicking on the cogwheel icon in the home page. You cannot change your profile picture in the Skype for Business settings. To change your profile picture, go to Outlook. Click on the cogwheel icon and select Office 365. Select Personal Info and change picture.